Hello, my lovelies. Come on and talk to me while I'm out here working in my garden. So, as you all remember, we did the daylily garden. So now it was time for my lilies. I was so excited. So what ended up happening? I added a few daylilies in here, as you can see on the back side, because I know that they're, going to grow fairly tall. But Amazon went ahead and came through, and I got my bulbs today, my lily bulbs. So I went ahead and planted them. It came with some brown dirt in there. So of course, or not dirt, I need to stop saying that, soil. So of course, what I am going to do, I am going to head out to probably Lowe's tomorrow, and I'm going to get some more black soil. I have all organic soil in here, but I'm going to go ahead and get some more soil. But you guys, this is the beginning of my wonderful lily container garden. So we are adding on to all that good stuff you guys see. All right, so remember, plant something and heal the earth one plant at a time. Love you guys. Catch you next time.